So I forgot my strawberry plants. They were delivered probably about a month ago, and in the instructions it said if it's not time for you to plant them yet, put them in your refrigerator. And I put them in my garage refrigerator and forgot them. Until Tim's like, you know, there's something sort of growing in the fridge, and I was like, well, I mean, is it in Tupperware? Throw it out. And he's like, no, like a plant. I was like, oh. Either way, when you get these, you're supposed to soak them in water, warm water, so I'm gonna go through all those procedures and let these have a little bit of a bath and see if I can get these planted. Okay, so these have been soaking for about an hour plus in warm water, and I'm hoping that they gave them a little bit of oomph. I am going to be doing vertical gardening, but I haven't gotten my vertical system yet, and these really need to be planted. So I went ahead and got a wide brimmed terracotta pot and a smaller pot. I'm going to make my own little tiered thing, and we'll see. Hopefully that works. I have a feeling that it's not going to be enough room, but I can always add a third layer for the runners to sort of loop down in at a later date.
3 days later.
All right, so it looks like my strawberry survived. Yay! I am so happy because those poor little guys were completely forgotten, and wow. The problem is now I don't remember if I got June strawberries or like ever-bearing berries. If they're June, I'm sort of screwed. So I'm gonna go make plant tags for my cute little strawberry plants now that they know that they survived the cold, cold nights. If you're interested, why not check out the video where I made plant tags from soda pop cans. They came out super cute, and I even made some like Mickey Mouse, because I love me some Disney. Hope you enjoy, and thanks for stopping by. Thanks also for all those that liked and subscribed. It helps so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you real soon. Little spider, let me see if I can find him. I'm gonna just walk this way. I'm interrupting a spider, I think is what's going on. If I end up finding that spider in my hair, which is like crazy from doing stuff all day, I'm not gonna be amused. I'm so sorry, strawberry plants. It seems like every time I do a video, it's like, so this is what I messed up today. Yeah, okay, we'll see what happens.